My partner and I just need to confer in private, compare notes and whatnot.
What?
Oh, God. Of course. Why mess around with the worker bees when you can kill the queen?
What are you talking about, Sean?
Gus, Alice, she wanted us all at that party, including us, so that she could get Mary Lou by herself. This is Silence of the Lambs, which means we're both Scott Glenn.
Okay, Sean, listen to me. If I'm gonna go back to that creepy-ass institution that I've been afraid to drive by since I was 9, there's gonna be some rules and regulations.
Gus, this is no time for funny...
Listen, Sean. I will not enter a room first. I will not enter a room last. I will not investigate any suspicious noises or go looking for a fuse box. And you will not, under any circumstance, leave me by myself without a weapon of some sort. Do you understand and agree to my terms?
I'm not prepared to negotiate.
Do you understand, Sean?
Yes, I do, yes.
All right. Let's go help Juliet. Hold on. We made a deal, Sean. Thank you. Sean, that was rule number 5. Look at your big toe. I can't look at my big toe. Dude, what? Where's the laces? Sean? Sean! Sean! Not tonight. No.
If it was your best friend, what would you have done?
Oh, no. Gus.